1969, Chevrolet's Nova Supersport, SS, played a prominent role in the zenith of the muscle car era. This story began with the 1968 redesign of the Chevy 2 Nova, sharing its chassis and engine compartment with the Camaro. Midway through 1968, Chevrolet introduced a bold move by offering the 396 cubic inch engine for the Nova SS, alongside the 350 cubic inch option. These big block Novas quickly gained a reputation for their street and strip performance. In 1969, the Chevy 2 nomenclature was dropped, and the Nova SS received minor updates, including a power boost for the 350 cubic inch V8. To transform a Nova into a Nova SS, buyers selected RPO code Z26, which added a 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhausts, a special 3-speed manual transmission, heavy-duty springs and shocks, red stripe tires, power front disc brakes, and exterior and interior styling enhancements. Despite these upgrades, the Nova SS remained budget-friendly, starting at around $2,400 for a V8 model. Chevrolet offered a range of optional features, from bucket seats to performance enhancements like various transmissions, posi-traction differentials, and the F41 suspension package. Inside, enthusiasts could opt for special instrumentation and various sound systems.